Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making beef chimichangas. Alright, I'm starting out here. I have a soft flour tortilla. You want to make sure you buy the ones that say soft. And I'm going to make these as easy as possible. I'm going to start by taking a little bit of taco meat. This is just ground beef with taco seasoning. I fried and seasoned with the taco seasoning. I'm going to put that in there. And I have some refried beans here. These are just the can I warmed up on the other side of that taco pan. And I'm going to put some taco cheese in there. Alright. Wish me luck with rolling this because I don't work at Taco Bell and I don't have experience with rolling tortillas. Now I'm going to make 6 of these, or rather 5 of these, one for each one of us. So I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to roll the rest of them. When it's time to fry them, I'll bring it back. Alright, I had enough filling. I actually got 6 of them. Now I'm going to start by putting the folded side down first. There's some vegetable oil here. I have it heated to hot. I don't have a thermometer or nothing. And I'm going to lay these down in here. I've just set at medium low. And careful not to put your finger in the grease. Now I'm going to allow these to fry for probably about 3 minutes or so on each side until they're nice and golden brown. Alright, my chimichangas are done. They only took probably about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side. Since the ingredients inside are already pre-cooked, it was just cooking those flour tortillas, frying them through. These are ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. You can top your chimichanga with anything you like. I use some taco sauce, some more of that taco blend cheese, and some pico de gallo on top. Let me get in here and give this a try. Get a little bit of pico de gallo on there. Man, that's really good. You get the crispy tortilla, you get them refried beans smacking in the face with that taco meat flavoring. That's really delicious. Then you get the taco sauce and the cheese, and then you get the nice fresh taste of the pico de gallo. Now, if you like yours a little on the spicier side, you could dice some jalapeno up and put it in with the hamburger mixture, with the taco mixture. But those are really easy and are really delicious. So there you have it. Beef chimichangas. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.